hold my hand. Where do you think he's gonna take him? Oh my gosh. Whoa. Fee, look.
Don't get him. Don't get the squirrel. Don't get the squirrel.
Look, Fee, he's on the tree. I won't get the squirrel. Look, he's on the tree right there.
Wow. Mama, on the nest. What's he doing?
He is killing him. I don't know if he's gonna eat him or what he's doing. So it looks like he keeps stinging him. Wow, and he's like holding on to the tree at the same time with one arm, Faye.
And
I've never seen this before. Have you?
the green one is dead. The green
Yes,
one is
the cicada. Yeah, the cicada's dead.
all the cicadas are dead.
One, yeah, well, we do find a lot of them dead, but not all of them, right? Oh my goodness, he's still stinging them.
Look, down there.
What? What is that? Oh, cool.
Oh,
Whoa, where'd he go?
right there.
Whoa.
Whoa, he's good fighting.
Whoa.
Good fighting.
Fee. Whoa, he took him up on the branch. Oh,